Hey, what's up everyone, this is Steven Mine and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about a new project that I just discovered, and it's gonna have a lot of potential in the next bull market. I think it's gonna be the next hype on like play to earn, move to earn. I think the next hype will be drive to earn. So in today's video I'm going to talk about HiveMapper. I discovered this project about a month and a half ago, maybe 2 months ago. I didn't pay attention to this. I mean, I did a little bit of research. I wasn't sure about the project, but scrolling on Twitter, every time you have like hints. Okay, you see this time the project, next week you see it again, and next month you see someone big talking about this project, and that attract my attention, and I say let me get on this project and do my research. But before starting, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this with your friends. It may be the next 100x potential for a crypto project. I do believe that. HiveMapper is building a decentralized map, and it's rewarding people that use their dashcam. I want to mention this: the mapping industry, it's over 300 billion market. Waze, or Wazy, I don't know how to spell it, but in 2013 they sold for Google for about $1 billion in 2013, when was the beginning of Waze. And as you can see over here, Google Maps API and partnerships are making over 0.8 billion per year. So 0.8 billion per year. And this article it is an old article from 2019, as I know, 2019. So I think it can be way more, maybe over 2 billions right now, because there are multiple Uber, Lyft, and all kind of these companies, so I think it's a huge market. As you can see here, they are bringing in the market a dashcam, and they are building decentralized mapping with the dashcam and with us as the drivers. Okay, so get the dashcam, map while driving, and earn honey tokens. So honey tokens are the rewards for those that use their dashcam and record the road, everything. It's on the road, because these days it's hard to get real updates on the road that you are driving on, because what if the road in front of you it's some construction, or what if it's blocked, or all these kind of things, or what if they remove that road that you want to go on. So that's why having a dashcam and recording everything on the road is gonna give you, for a user that using the HiveMapper app, like a Google Maps, it's gonna give a real-time update about the road in front of them. So the more data they collect from the people that are using dashcam, the more accurate it's the map. And for this, of course, they are rewarding people because they are sending data to the developers, and people are happy because they are earning honey tokens. As you can see over here, they have two kind of cameras. This is the basic camera, HiveMapper DASHCAM, and HiveMapper DASHCAM S. Okay, I think the second one, it has way better quality. I think it's 4K quality, and I think it's 30 frames per second. And this one, it's a basic one, it's $549. And because you're watching this video right now, I'm gonna give you a coupon discount in my description, so you can use it and get a cheaper price for this. I think it's gonna be 10% off. and the HiveMapper DASHCAM S, it's 649. So you're gonna get a pretty good discount, and also you can earn honey tokens. And as you know, with Helium network, I don't know if you've been in this hype of Helium network. They are building a decentralized internet, okay? And in the beginning, I know people that were earning a lot of Helium tokens. Like the device was about $500, and they got recovered that money from the rewards in like 5 days. Can you imagine that? 5 days to recover your money, your investment, which is, I think it's a very, very good investment. And this is because they've been in the project before the masses. Right now, HiveMapper is not launched yet. The Honey token is not launched yet. You are here ahead of the masses, which is very, very important for you to know. You can make it at 100x on this project easily, and in the beginning the rewards is gonna be way higher than the later. For the, you know, when the hype it's on the market, the rewards is gonna be less. And you already have the camera, which it's a good benefit. I remember I had to wait about 6 months to get Helium network antenna, you know, and by the time I got it, it was way too late to earn rewards. I mean, you can still earn rewards, but not like in the beginning. I know people that made, I don't know, $8,000, I think, $8,000 a month with just one antenna, you know, sharing the data, the internet with other people, and connecting the devices, IoT devices, you know. So I think it's gonna be hype on this one. Play to earn, drive to earn, which is HiveMapper. What else? Move to earn. I think move to earn, it's already old. Play to earn, I think still gonna have potential in the next bull market. And in the next bull market, I think a big hype is gonna be on drive to earn. A lot of Uber drivers, they're gonna want this camera. I already ordered 3 cameras just for myself, 3 cameras. So the Helium device was sold on the official websites, was sold for around $500, okay, 500, 600 bucks or something like that. And on the secondary market, I saw devices for Helium sold for $5,000, $10,000. The same device, because you can get faster shipping, you know. So that's why it's gonna be hype. I think it's gonna be the same thing with DASHCAM. You get it now for $550, and you maybe if you want to sell it for $5,000, because you know it's like a snowball. It's gonna roll, it's gonna get bigger. People want to earn free money while they're driving, you know. You can earn more than your job. So they're gonna throw the money in the market, and they're gonna need that camera. And you know, you are here in the front and ahead of all these people around you. So the main idea behind this project HiveMapper, which I'm very bullish on this, it's they are collecting data from the people that are using the DASHCAM, and they are selling that data to the companies like Uber, Lyft, and all these FedEx companies, and you know, all these big companies that they need to go faster. They need to know if the road is closed, if the lane that they are driving on it's busy lane, or they can shift to another lane, you know. And I believe it's a new way to earn smart money. Also they have big investors. As I know, Solana founder, it's investing in HiveMapper. And also the Honey tokens, and the project is gonna be built on Solana blockchain, and the Helium network CEO. I think he invested in HiveMapper, and I think he's an advisor for them. And also you can see over here Multicoin Capital, Craft, Shine Capital, Solana Ventures, Spark Capital. As you can see here, we have big name as investors, and also look at these partners and advisors: Helium, Solana, as I told you, co-founder Solana, Amir Halem, co-founder Helium, CEO of Zillow, Anatoly Yakovenko, CEO of Solana, Bijan Sabet, general partner at Spark Capital, former Twitter board member. And as you can see here, Jaron Waldman, former Apple Maps executive, Eli Seidman, angel investor entrepreneur and former CEO of Tinder. So guys, this project fundamentally is very strong. I think you have to take action, do your own research. This is a video for entertainment and for your knowledge, because I want to bring you a new project, new value, and I want you to be ahead of the masses. Okay, I got this project a month and a half ago. I got my first camera, and few days, I think a week ago, I got more cameras, two more cameras. So I'm waiting for them. I think they are gonna launch in August or September, I think. So I'm really excited to receive the camera, to install it on my car, and earn honey tokens. And as you guys know, in the beginning we're gonna earn a lot of rewards. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, please. I'm gonna respond all of them, and don't forget to use my discount link in the description, and subscribe to my channel, join my Telegram group, because I talked about this project in my Telegram group before posting on Twitter, on everywhere. I'm gonna show you project in my Telegram group. Okay, so if you want to know about more about the project, why I think it's gonna have 100x return, I post a deep dive in the tokenomics in my Telegram group. So don't forget to join my Telegram group, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell, because if you want to receive fresh content, you need to be like first viewer on my videos. And also don't forget to check my Twitter account at StevenMindWin. That's my handle, StevenMindWin. I'm gonna post every day 3, 4, 5 tweets a day, and I'm posting value information there. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.